OKUTAMA, Tokyo's hidden oasis, is rich in nature, which makes it an ideal spot for outdoor activities and also to enjoy the stunning landscapes.
Hi everyone, I am pretty sure that many of you who are watching this video are hoping to or planning to visit Japan in the near future. Japan is of course one of the stunning places in the world. And it's no secret that Japan has an amazing amount of beauty. Not only famous for its tradition, culture, history, nature, etc. But also, we can enjoy and experience a lot of outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, trekking, river rafting, kayaking, etc. And what about a kayaking today? Now we are at OKUTAMA. If you are looking for an adventurous experience at Tokyo, then OKUTAMA is one of the best options.
OKUTAMA is famous for trekking, hiking, canoeing, bike tours and of course kayaking. OKUTAMA is located in the western part of Tokyo and is easily accessible from central Tokyo. It takes an hour by the car or a 2-hour train ride.
Cruise rafting provides kayak tour experience which even beginners can enjoy. Actually, I don't have any prior experience in doing the kayaking. If you are also like me, just a beginner in kayaking, then don't worry. The kayak tours are often provided with experienced professionals in this field. So come, let's see how it goes on.
Cruise rafting is a guided rafting tour company which offers different types of rafting tours, kayaking experience tour and standard paddleboarding experience tour. We can make the reservation through their website. They will provide all the accessories like helmet, life jacket, wetsuit top and bottom, water shoes, etc. which are necessary to do the activity.
So now I just changed my dress and it's ready to go for the kayaking.
After changing the dress at their indoor changing rooms, the guide will take us to the kayaking base center at the Shiramaru Lake of the Tama River, which is predominantly a gentle lake famous for its amazing green and clean waters. Kayaking is done in this Shiramaru Lake, where we can enjoy and explore the stunning green surroundings. First, the trainer will teach us the basics of paddling to how to move the kayak as we wish and then starts the kayaking. The trainer will also come with us throughout the kayaking experience and make sure that we are comfortable and is really enjoying the kayaking. This is my first time doing kayaking and here are some of the things which I felt. The kayaking trip is really fun and made me feel relaxed. I could feel the rhythm of water which makes me feel immersed in the haunts of nature. The trainer was very supportive, friendly and explained in detail about the surrounding areas. Overall, this kayaking trip satisfied me and made me feel happy and relaxed. The duration of the kayak experience tour is 1 hour and 20 minutes. After that, the trainer will take us back to the store. Then we should change the clothes and head to the barbecue destination, where we will be able to fire up a grill for an enjoyable afternoon. It will be safe to take an extra set of undergarments and a towel while packing for this tour, as these might become necessary sometimes.
So, after the kayaking experience offered by cruise or rafting, now we are at a barbecue place. It's lunchtime and I'm so hungry, and if you also like, you can also have a barbecue experience here. Here they will offer all the food items which is necessary to do the barbecue, and we just have to bring the drinks that we need. So when you book the cruise or rafting, you can also book their barbecue.
Before the sun appears.
This barbecue was like an icing on the cake. Japanese barbecue is an amazing treat for a food lover. The barbecue area is surrounded by beautiful greenery, a calmly flowing stream. No matter how much busy we are, how much pressure we have in our day-to-day life, an atmosphere like this will surely make us feel relaxed and offers a warm treat to our mind and body. They arrange the food items for barbecue like vegetables, meat, sauce and noodles to prepare yakisoba. They also arrange a separate barbecue area to each group with table and chairs according to the number of people. If you have Tokyo in your bucket list, then don't skip OKUTAMA, Tokyo's hidden gem. Finally, after one day of enjoyment here, you can either go back to Tokyo or head towards next adventure.